Alright, so test for existence of a limit. Okay, as I mentioned before, okay, the limit of f is exists if and only if the both sides of the limit exists equal. Alright, so that's mean, okay, like from the first example that we discussed here, okay, the limit from the left is 1 but the limit from the right is 3. So that's mean from the left and the right are not the same, so that's mean they are the limit for x approaches a is not exist because it's not the same. If the same, that's mean the limit of x approaches a is exist. Alright, so we look at example here. We have example 5. Okay, given the function f, which is a piecewise function, okay, 2x is for x less and equals to 4, and 2x plus 3 for x greater than 4. Right, the question is find the limit of x approaches 4 from the left, and also limit of x approaches 4 from the right, and also limit of x approaches 4. Alright, so first we're going to find the limit of x approaches 4 from the left. Alright, since this is a piecewise function, that means the function is divided according to a domain. Right, so if you look here, the domain, we have two domain here. The first one is for x less than 4 and x greater than 4. That means the changes occurred at 4. Right, so less than 4, okay, less than 4 means that is at the left hand side of 4, so the function is 2x. So here is 2x, and greater than 4 is 2x plus 3, which is at the right side, which is 2x plus 3. So if we approach 4 from the left, okay, if we approach 4 from the left, okay, so we're going to use, okay, the function which is 2x. So the limit of x approaches 4 from the left, we're going to use 2x, right? So the limit is, we just substitute the value, okay, the limit which is 4, so it becomes 2 times 4, which is 8. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm substituting the value which is 4. Right, so the negative sign after the 4 doesn't affect, okay, the value 4 here. So that's mean if we have 4, okay, minus after that, doesn't mean here will be, it doesn't mean this is negative 4, okay. So be careful, don't do the mistake, okay? Don't substitute negative 4 here, this is 4. Okay, so from the left is 4, and then limit of x approaches 4 from the right. Okay, since we approach 4 from the right, okay, so that will be 2x plus 3. So the limit, we just substitute the limit which is 4, so 2 times 4 plus 3, this is 8 plus 3, which is 11. Right, as you can see, okay, the limit from the left and the right are not equal. Okay, we have 8 for the left hand side, for the left side, and 11 for the right side. So that's mean what happened to the limit of x approaches 4. Okay, since from the left and the right are not the same, therefore the limit of x approaches 4 are not exist.